Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can draw your signature on Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my document in my Microsoft Word and I'm going to draw my signature on this document. I'm going to draw my signature right here, and if we want to draw signature we have to go to the drawing menu, and then you can choose the type of the pen you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one, and you can select the color. Click on this little arrow and then click on the color you want to apply. I'm going to apply black, and you will be able to customize the thickness as well right here, and then you can just draw your signature like this. Okay, that's easy, right? And if you want to delete the signature, you can click on the eraser and you will be able to delete it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to draw our signature in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.